What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can make resume using AI. The process is pretty simple. So for that, you have to have a chat GPT. For that, you simply have to go to Google, search for chat GPT, and then just simply search for chat GPT. Go to openai.com, and then in the chat GPT, click on try chat GPT, log into your account, and there you go. You will be at this page. Now, logging into your account means you can log in with your Google, Microsoft, or Facebook account as well. Once you're on your chat GPT, you have access to AI. Now you need to find a nice template in which you can put the information. For that, you simply have to go to Google. So I'm just going to go to Google, and there I'm just going to search for free docs CV templates. So I'm just going to search for that, or I'm just going to search for resume templates. And you will be able to find a lot of websites giving you free resume templates in the docs form. So as you can see, this Resume Genius is one of the website. You can actually go down there and you will be able to download this resume template right here. Now, after having the template, what you have to do is you just have to go to ChatGPT. Now, here you have to ask the ChatGPT about how you can, put the information, just get the assist from him. Now, suppose you want to apply for as a IT engineer or as a coder, as a Python developer, how are you gonna get the information? So here you can ask the ChatGPT that tell me about some skills. So let me just search for that, which will support me in my resume for Python development. So I'm just going to search for that, and you will be able to find that it will give you some sort of information. And as you can see there, it will give you some sort of information in details. You can add these things. You can actually add this information. You'll be able to get a vast idea. However, if I think this is way too long and I just want it to write it for me, so I can tell him just make it short, precise, and make it according to my fit, and you'll be able to ask the ChatGPT to write the whole thing for you. You just have to copy the thing, put in the template. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to make a resume using AI. Hope you guys find this video helpful.